Imagine you're hosting a group of friends or family, and especially this season, I know you're going to host. And you want to make some brunch for them or breakfast. And one of the things on the menu is eggs. But you're like, I can't stand there on the stovetop and keep frying eggs for each and every one. Or rather, I don't want them to have boiled eggs. Now, I have a hack for you. On today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make quick baked eggs. Very simple indeed. It's gonna take you just a few minutes to do the prep work, and actually the prep work can be done by the kids and they're gonna enjoy. All you need to do is crack up your eggs on a baking tray or a baking pan, put them in the oven. Then after they are done, you season with salt, black pepper, and garnish with anything that you'd like on top. Whichever herb you prefer, that's up to you. So let's start with what you'll need. Definitely a bunch of eggs. The number of eggs does not really matter. It depends on how many people you're feeding, and that's the amount of eggs you're going to use. Next up, you'll need extra virgin olive oil. Though feel free to use any oil you prefer. Salt and black pepper for seasoning, and fresh cilantro or dhania. Of course, you can swap in any herb you love, like parsley, chives, or basil. It's all up to your preference. First, we'll preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. While that's heating up, we take up our muffin tin and generously grease each cup with oil using a pastry brush. Make sure to coat the sides well so the eggs release easily once they are baked. Now for the fun part, and this is so easy, even kids can help with this step. Simply crack one egg into each muffin cup. Don't worry if they are not perfect, they'll still turn out beautifully. Just take your time and crack each egg gently to avoid any shell pieces. Pop the muffin tin into your preheated oven and bake for about 10 to 12 minutes. Now here is an important tip. The size of your muffin tin can affect the cooking time, so I recommend checking on them around the 9-minute mark. You want to remove them when they look just slightly undercooked. The white should be set, but the yolk still a bit jiggly. They'll continue cooking from the residue heat once you take them out. And if you don't have a muffin tin, no problem. Ramekins work just as well. Once they're out of the oven, it's time to add flavor. Sprinkle some salt and freshly cracked black pepper on top. And if you'd like, finish with a handful of freshly chopped cilantro or your favorite herbs. The presentation is so simple, yet so elegant. And there you have it, the simplest way to serve eggs at breakfast or brunch. They are quick, they are foolproof, and they look impressive. So for the full detailed recipe with measurements and more tips, head over to the website and please enjoy cooking your eggs in a different way. If you loved this recipe, give it a thumbs up, comment on the comment section down below, like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Till the next time, happy cooking!